I'm Tina. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can build a very simple website using Canva for free. And I am making this video for those of you who possibly need a website to obtain wholesale accounts, that want to see that you have your own website, or maybe you're trying to create a website to just promote one of your single products that you're selling on Amazon, maybe a private label item, something of that nature. And if you are here at my channel for your very first time, welcome. My name is Tina, and if you're interested in selling on Amazon and building a successful online business, you're in the right place, because I'm passionate about helping others achieve their goals and making money through e-commerce, and I share my knowledge and experience with you here on this channel. So hopefully you'll find valuable tips and strategies for selling on Amazon. And so with that, let's dive right in. So if you have a Canva account, I have a pro account, and the link for that will be down below this video. If you feel that you want to sign up with my link, you will get 30 days for free. Now, I use the pro version, and I'm not sure if this is available for the free version of Canva or not, because I'm just not sure. I do know that when you have the items that have this little crown on it, those are items that you have to pay for unless you have the pro account. So when you are on the opening page of Canva, these are different things that you can do, these little icons here, and now they have a feature called websites. So if you click on websites, it does open another page, which I had already started earlier. I believe this one is blank. Okay, so this is one that I actually made this template be an active website that was unpublished, just because I wanted to see, hey, how does this actually really work? So I chose a template, and this is what their template looked like. And I didn't try to make any changes. You would make changes to the templates to make it fit your product. And once you are done with it, and I'm going to go backwards to actually building one. But once you are done with it, you would then publish this website. And I changed it to call Tina's Test. And so what you do end up getting is whatever you name it, if that's already taken, you're not going to be able to use that name, because I had just put test site and that one was already taken. So that's why I had to put Tina Test. And then your URL is going to be .my.canva.site. So if it is something that you truly then want to buy your own domain for, you're going to want to do that later. And so I'm going to do continue. And then here you would be able to do a website description. You would want to have it be SEO rich with keywords. And then you would hit publish when you're done. And I know I'm skipping towards the end. It's just I wanted you to see what it actually looked like. And so here we are going to view the website. And this is what it looks like when it's done. And so it makes a great landing page. And I also thought, these would also make great templates right here for your product listings on Amazon. I thought these looked so well done, this image, and these links should work here on this website. And so here it is, just a very simple website. And it says down below that it is designed by Canva. So you can actually purchase the URL. So now we're going to jump backwards into actually building it. So I opened up the link, like I said, on the beginning page where we build a website, and it brings you here. And then here are pre-done templates. And here's that one, the headphone. And here are what some of the other templates look like. And you can start blank, or you can start with theirs and then just reconfigure it for your needs. I also downloaded some images of some lip balm from a company that I know of, and I thought we could use those images to actually build one. This is going to be my first time really trying to build something as well here live with you all. And since it was lip balm, I was trying to scroll through here and see if any of these looked kind of like beauty product related to help save some of the work. And if there is anything, I maybe have passed it up already. And in the search bar, I'm sure I can search beauty item. Oh, this looks like a beauty item. All right, let's see here. So you can just use one of the pages, like if you're trying to create a landing pages, or you could apply all 6 pages to your website. For now, I'm just going to start with this. No, well, let's use all 6. Okay, so here is page 1 and what it looks like on the template, 2, 3, going on down. So it's already a nice laid out template that we can doctor up ourselves. So this here is not going to be my product. So I'm going to want to remove this image and upload it with my own. So here is where you would upload images to your Canva account. So you would click this big purple button here that says upload an image or a video. I've already done that from my computer. So here are the lip balms that I chose to upload. And I'm going to take this stock photo here, and I'm going to see if it will blow up in this square, and it may not. And that one may not be a good image to fit in there. What about this image? You know, depending how images are when you take them from the internet, makes a difference if they fit nice or not in these spots. And that looks pretty good right there. And then I would name it to this product if this was my product. And we're going to pretend that this is exactly what this is. And then it has this shop now button. I would want this a little bit bigger, I think. So I'm going to make those letters bigger, and then I'm going to stretch this out so it creates one word. You just drag on these edges here. There we go. So I think that looks better with that standing out, because this name is, you know, kind of snarky, you know, with the play on profanity words, and that's what makes it funny. So I feel like if this was my product, I would want that to stand out. And then let's go ahead and put this one over here. Now you can actually delete the picture that's behind it, or you can just overlay your image over it. And then here you would put our brand, our story. So you would want to change this verbiage in this box. And I'm just going to put that as to not write a real story. But this is where you would take the layout and make it your own. And then in here, you could enter in the different products. So I did take this one, and we would want to make it, oops, we want to drag it in this way smaller and stretch it out a bit. I don't want it to get cut off. But you get the idea here, where you can just upload your images and put them in these boxes. And we'll put this one over here. I'm going to stretch this out a bit. And then beneath these, you would want to describe what each one of these flavors are. These are different flavors of lip balm. I don't know why I can't get this one to stretch out quite like the other one was. I would want that to look better in a real world, because I would want it to fit in here and be uniform. So I realize that this is off. And then down below, you would maybe want to put I don't know what flavor this is, but, and I don't know if it's beeswax because this is not really my product. It was just a product that one of my vendors had, and I just thought it was funny. So beeswax, lip balm, and we'll say that this is cherry flavor. So you get the idea. And I would probably make this be a little bit bigger font, just like I did before. And the way you make your font bigger is you come up here, this is the font, and this is where you can increase the size. With all of this, you can change the font. So this that they chose, whoa, I don't know why that is doing that. This Garbata is the name of the font. So if you have a font in mind that you like, you can change your font. Just make sure that you keep it throughout your pages so it looks nice and organized. And then here you would do the same thing. You could upload your photos of your products. You can describe what the items are, or if you just wanted to put the features in there. You know, if it was organic, you might want to upload the organic logo and explain how your product is organic. If it's something for pets, you might want to, you know, put the features here. So the images here might not be totally your product, but just staging the features about them. And here, I don't recall, I would have to actually Google the product and put the real product description in here. But here you could put the product description really big, or you could put a quote from a customer showing 5 stars, whatever you would like to put in there, and then the information about your company. And if we were happy with our product when we were done, this is where you would do the publish your website. And then it brings you here. What I haven't figured out yet, because I just played with it for moments before I decided to make this video, is that it has without navigation and with navigation, but when I've clicked on with navigation, I get this, you have empty page titles, but I couldn't figure out how to name these pages. And I did poke around really quickly, so that is something I'm going to have to learn and figure out. So the only way I was able to do it is without this navigation. And then here's where you publish it to the free Canva domain, where I showed you in the earlier portion of the video where I titled it to be Tina's Test. Or they do give you the option to purchase a new domain. That way, with this product, you would have, you know, bitchsticks.com if this were in fact your product. Or if you have an existing domain, you can post this to an existing domain that you have already purchased and own. And domains are not that expensive. You can go to GoDaddy.com and find them and purchase them there. They're very inexpensive. So I am going to create a free domain here. And then we hit continue, and I'm going to skip this bio here, and you could enable it with a password description. I'm going to hide my website from the search engine because I don't want to really publish this. I'm not sure if it's going to let me use this, Tina's Test, since I have it on the other, or maybe it's going to replace the other one, the headphone. It sure did. So now let's view our website and see what it looks like. I mean, it doesn't look great, but that's because these pictures actually are not too grainy. So, but you see what it would look like if you took your time to do that. And then voila, you have yourself a really quick, simple website. And that is something that now you could give to a supplier that wants you to have a website presence online in order to obtain a wholesale account, or you could use it to promote your products on Pinterest and linking them back to Amazon. You could use this for making great product photos to add to your Amazon listings. You can use this for so many things. And I think this is just such a great feature that Canva is now offering Canva users. So check it out, play with it, see what you can create. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe and follow me here on YouTube as I weekly put out different content and share helpful tips, and also do a weekly live Friday video with my partner Reseller Mom. And I look forward to having you here on my channel with me. Thank you.